Summer Classics is the highlight of my year of quiet retirement. I look forward to it all year long.
The diversity of views always is surprising in almost any text that you read, and that's part of the enjoyment of sitting there.
It is this tremendously warm, generous atmosphere in the seminars, so that people really get almost inspired by the things that other people are saying, to look deeper into their own questions. And I've learned so much about asking good questions that I carry out into the rest of my life.
The discussions at lunch are also can be very enlightening.
Every year is like a reunion. You see all the old friends you've made the year before, and you catch up and you compare the seminars you're taking. And, even though we talk about the seminars at lunchtime with new friends from the seminar we're in, because the conversations carry on into lunch, the real joy is seeing them through the years, over the years, seeing them come back and back, and that circle just grows. Yeah. And you find these friends connecting with other friends who you didn't know in that year before. That's very special.